More winter storm watches have just been issued for parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, and all the areas in between, with blizzard conditions possible, with winds over 50 miles per hour and snow accumulations, especially in parts of Minnesota and South Dakota, up to 20 inches of snow. 14 to 20 inches is the official estimate according to the National Weather Service. Ladies and gentlemen, this storm is getting very serious. We've seen the models be consistent on this for several days now. Everyone needs to start preparing right now. That watch has now been issued. Start preparing. But what we can do right now is continue our coverage here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. But with that being said, hit the subscribe button and stay safe.